Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about the unitary method and I told you in next class I will give the notes of this chapter unitary method. That is the chapter 4. Students, see once again I want to recall you what is the unitary method. And see, the method of finding value of an article by division and then finding the value of more articles by multiplication is called unitary method. Okay, means we have to first find the value of one article by division, and after finding the value of one articles we have to find the value of more articles by multiplication. That is called the unitary method. Okay, now in the video's description notes are available. From there you have to write the notes. And children, I hope all the 4 chapters you will complete in your copy, and after then please send the notes. Are you completed or not completed in the WhatsApp group.